Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Corolla trunk latch. First, determine if the latch is simply stuck or if a component is actually broken. Often, a quick check of the emergency release handle inside the trunk can provide clues. Also, take a moment to inspect the wiring connected to the latch mechanism for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. This initial diagnosis is crucial for a successful repair. Many trunk latch issues are surprisingly simple to resolve. Try applying a good quality spray lubricant to the latch mechanism. Sometimes, dirt and grime cause sticking. If the trunk isn't closing properly, the striker plate might need a slight adjustment to ensure perfect alignment. For electronic release problems, check your car's fuse box for a blown fuse, as this is a common culprit for non-responsive latches. If lubrication and adjustments don't work, you might need to replace the entire latch assembly. Begin by carefully removing the trunk liner to gain full access to the mechanism. Next, disconnect any electrical connectors and release the cables attached to the old latch. Finally, install the new latch assembly, ensuring all connections are secure and the mechanism operates smoothly before reattaching the trunk liner. After any repair, thoroughly test the trunk latch multiple times to confirm it's operating smoothly and securely. Open and close it both manually and electronically to ensure consistent performance. For ongoing maintenance, regularly clean and lubricate the moving parts of the latch to prevent future issues. And hey, if you love reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy fixing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.